All right, so yeah, I have been literally the worst with vlogging lately. So I am trying my hardest to get back and active with this channel and do my best. I literally have, I don't know, 10 plus gigabytes worth of footage that I haven't used and I haven't even uploaded. Somebody's testing a car. And so we're gonna try it out and we're gonna just start uploading random stuff. I have been uploading YouTube shorts. I have been uploading a couple things. I just really haven't had the time. I've been so busy with the shop. The shop is absurd. Absurd. I sound like a broken record every time I talk to somebody like, oh yeah, dude, like shop's fully booked, yada, yada, yada. But like in all reality, it's literally chaotic. And I'm finding my balance between personal life and work life and race life, and it's going great. But let's get back into this channel. I did remove some of my old videos just because I'm not really fond of some of the edits and stuff on that, but we are going to try to stay as active with this channel as into doing more shop stuff, event stuff like that. It won't be daily vlogs, but it will be at least something once a week, something every other week, at least as much as we drive. We have a very busy schedule for this year with the RX7 and the other RX7 that we purchased, which we'll get to that, and you know, making a seat time car, demo car, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so check this thing out. It's a K-Series S2000 we've been doing. This is car's been kind of under the wraps. I haven't really posted much about it. Thing is so baller. Gabby's got the downpipe going. You got the downpipe hotness going, so you know, lots of good stuff going on. Speed factory intercooler. I don't know why I said radiator. Got the cold side going. As you can tell, we have vibrant clamps on that. Good stuff. Yay. So at Fuel Fest, we broke the dual caliper bracket, which that is pretty shite. Look at that thing. So yeah, we're gonna be fixing that. Got the gear change going on real quick. Very filthy, so don't mind. DSS axles are still holding up. Powered by Max is filthy, but we're good. Nice little gear change going on. You've probably seen it on my Instagram. You've probably seen it on the King's page. This thing is baller. Almost finished. Got to do some fab on it, but man, it just looks so good. Really good stuff. Need to do some fab from here to here. Boom, boom. Call it a day. This Evo came back from paint not too long ago. Probably seen it on my Instagram or on the King's page, but this thing's coming out flossy too. This thing is filthy, but it is about complete. Got the AC lines going. Got the nice little 6466 going. Manifold built in-house. Obviously, we need to finish the downpipe, as you can tell. So fitting this turbo on this setup is with AC is pretty intricate, considering the downpipe has to go above and beyond to be able to fit with AC and everything. This is one of our AC friendly manifolds. It's got a Shep trans in it. Pretty baller stuff, man. Baller stuff. It's got a Brian Carr stage 3 head. Good stuff, good stuff. We've actually done this is like a copy paste motor that we do, as into engine parts, engine build, machine shop blueprint, etc. This thing's finally done. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I'll throw in a clip on here after this, maybe, you know. But 2J 300.
300?
Oh, did I say 200 or 300?
No, you said 300.
Oh, I said 300. 300. Yeah, this thing's done. This thing's wild. Made 872 to the wheels on like 26 PSI, I think it was. It's on a AM V2. Car's cleaned up. We're actually waiting for the customer to come on by and pick it up. We also did a surge tank on it. As you can see, bang, bang, PTFE lines, 3 pumps. Oh man, it's pretty baller. So this is our FD. Our seat time car is actually getting picked up by Juan for good man. Juan's towing, you know, yeah, number one guy in Orlando. He does all my tows. Sending it to the body shop today, ladies and gents. This thing right here is gonna be a certified ripper. we're gonna be shredding with this thing hopefully this year. Hope to actually have it done before the end of the year. Got lots of plans. I'm gonna make a mini version of my pro car with this one, so I'm pretty excited on this one. Obviously it's gonna be LS T56, probably do just welded diff, you know, just the basics. We're sending it over to Orlando City Auto Body now, so he can, you know, go ahead and strip the interior, clean all that out, get it ready for a cage. We did pick up cage kits as a sponsor, so shout out to Cage Kits, Rob Parsons, Chair Slayer, you guys rock. They will be providing the cage for this car, so I'm pretty excited about that. So after we get it back from the body shop, we will be doing the cage on it. We're sending this over to Orlando City Auto Body. They're gonna strip the car, they're gonna do sandblast or whatever they got to do to get rid of all that, you know, all the sound deadening. You know, normally people like to do dry ice and all that stuff, but we're not going to be really dealing with that because I do not have the patience for it. So sayonara, see you later. It does have a ding there which is going to get fixed, so I'm cool on that. But other than that, man, original wingless hatch, original sunroof. I'm pumped about this car, man. Oh, Francis, how could I forget? She got 6 piston boys up front with the 4 piston Johnnies in the rear, you feel me? Got a new gear change in. Some pokers are shiny. Look at them things. Oops. Went from a 410 down to a 390. Yeah, we're cutting stuff. Probably gonna be here all night.
So work, and I can't wait to be back out and test out all the because we're so awesome. Oh, hey.
Cool. So yeah, that's the update for today. Of course, I forgot to vlog the other half. What are you doing?
Yo.
What are you filming?
Yeah, dude, I forgot my camera at home. That's good. Here, I got some Gatorades for you guys. Oh yeah, gonna be testing out some acceleras tomorrow. On the way to the shop.
Perfect start to the day.
How to make a quick stop.
Be careful, your cold foam's gonna come out.
Fuck. Of course, it's got my dash out. That's looking cool. Wow. Ah, the steering wheel's hot. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's cool. So this is why we're changing the master. It should not be locking up all the way back here. It normally locks up like right here. Look at him. Yeah. Wow. You're so cute, Natalie.
Mama's got thumbs,
I'm so proud of you.
but she hisses at me.
My little cat whisperer. Hey guys. How are you? third gear, it's weird. I used to always be in the limiter on third, and I have so much load that the car is not reaching limiter, and it is just moving. Like, transitions are snappy, like car's moving. So I also got rear tire pressure down at 12 psi, which is definitely a first on this tire. We're on a 265 Accelera. Yeah, we usually run Federals, but we're testing out different tires today. No hard feelings towards Federal. I love them. They're great. We're still probably going to run Federals anyways in the car. We're just testing the accelerator today, so don't lose your fucking minds. Yeah, we got them as somebody was getting rid of them. And it can't hurt to try it out. The car is moving pretty good. Temps are good. Following David, we're going to have some clips of that here soon on this same vlog. I ran out of fuel behind him, which was interesting. Then we followed him again, and I haven't tested the car with that much grip behind someone yet that I was literally lunging forward in front of his car almost. So once we get that dialed in a little bit more, I think this thing's gonna be a ripper. So we're gonna get back out there on track, and thanks for watching. Let's do this thing. Bam. First time in a drift car?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram and all that stuff. And he's got a Miata he's doing. Did you know that? Nice. Turbo Miata. Little upcomer here soon. So maybe you stop by King's Performance and we show him what we can do.
Listen, I have a bad feeling about that.
Do you have twins in your family?
Yup.
Really?
And no one's had them.
Uh-oh.
I want to make my
vlogs. You guys are due for twins.
I want to make my vlogs like the old school, like skate vlogs. You remember that? It'd be like, hold on. Disturbance in the past. You know, it'd be like action, and then it'd be like random fucking camera talk, and then action, and random camera talk. Like,
yeah,
that's cool. We got Katie on track again.
Katie.
Go, Katie, go, Katie.
CH Media.
Knows everyone on Instagram, so if you're watching this, be careful. that thing is solid.
Maybe two and two.
Alright,
Back of the shirt. Let's see the shirt.
Let's see the shirt.
There you go, boy.
All right, so about to go sing happy birthday to all the April babies. You know, we had George April 18th. We had me the 13th. Got another dude over here, I think today. And very satisfied with our test day. I will say this is probably the happiest that I have been driving my car because everything seems to be working how we want it to. And now it's just time to just get faster. Like, we're gonna throw on the sway bars that we got from Sticky. Keep playing with the tire pressure in the rear because gear change looks like it's doing some work. So after that, I mean, just keep doing tire pressures and I don't know, just keep driving. Let's see what happens, man. I'm excited. I want to do Pro-Am this year. We got a lot of events this year. We can display up the proposal right here. Boop. So now you can see right there all our dates, events, and you know where we'll be at this year. Obviously, more to be added for 2023, and I really appreciate everybody watching. I'm gonna try to do my best to post as much more as I can and give you guys more content from the shop. And that's all, folks. Like David would say. Somebody's birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boy.
Birthday, bro. You wanna say something to the camera for your fans?
Was that heavy?
I do, baby. I think you guys are great. Happy birthday, y'all.
Thank
My
you.
people here.
That's all, folks.
Let's go.